What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? So property rental, property management called me up, one that uses me a lot, and asked me to take care of a stain that I guess a renter had hired another cleaner to clean the carpets. So when she did the walkthrough, initially it looked fine, but then the owners emailed her and said, "Hey, there's this big old spot in the middle of the room. I want to get rid of it." So she went and noticed it and gave me a call. So this is the spot we're talking about. I mean, carpets look good everywhere else. Big, beautiful house. I wouldn't mind having this job. Actually, I do a lot of these carpets in this area, actually. And this is all hardwood right here. And in other homes, it's actually, most of it's carpet. Well, they fluctuate. But anyway, back to the matter at hand. So, I'm not sure what it is, guys. Almost looks like it could be like a coffee stand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play around with the chemistry. I'm going to say it's organic. I like to put my gloves on whenever I'm using any kind of spotting stuff. Peroxide and stuff. So I'm gonna act like it's organic, and what I have here is 20 volume. I'm gonna treat part of it right here. I'm running low on it too, wouldn't you know? Well, it looks like it's lightening it up. If I could just get this thing to a little low on it in there. I'm gonna do some, go over it like this. Okay, that should be plenty to take care of it. Definitely looks like it's disappearing already. A little bit of people were saying, "Why didn't you just get your brush and agitate it?" Well, I forgot it. It's in my van. I don't want to walk all the way out there. I don't need to do that really. Alright, guys, so definitely was organic. I'm thinking it was coffee. And I think that this 20 volume peroxide I'm gonna go by and pick some more of this up. Look at that, guys. So you can get that 20 volume peroxide at your local Sally's Beauty Supply. It's a 20 volume. It's got the blue label. Don't get the one with the red label because that's a cream. So you want the clear. You just put it in your spray bottle like this. No need to dilute. It's only 6% peroxide. It won't lighten anything up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do kind of like a low moisture method cleaning in this spot. I'm going to take my encapsulation cleaner, spotter, carpet detail. Once I get rid of this stain all the way, carpet detail, and then I'm going to go ahead and scrub it with the bonnet. That way I don't have to pull out any hoses or anything. I don't even have to pull out any machines. So all by hand. So I'm going to let this sit a little longer. The thing about this 20 volume, or any organic spotter, guys, well, really what this is 20 volume, right? But it's peroxide, and the peroxide-based products out there for carpet cleaners, actually the organic stain removing products are peroxide based, and that's why it works so well on urine, blood, coffee, anything organic, wine. So if you go into the house and you see red stains, ask the customer if it's wine rather than like Kool-Aid or something like that. If it's wine, this 20 volume will take care of it. So yeah, it's the peroxide-based products that can get rid of these specialty stains for you that your normal carpet cleaning solutions will not do. So what I do before I start a carpet cleaning job is I walk around and look and see if I can identify any of the stains, if there are any stains. And then I'll go ahead and put a bottle, whatever I think I'm going to need, right next to it. And I'll go about my cleaning. And when I get to it, either I'll spot it. When I get to it, most of the time it's gone. And then I'll just go about my cleaning. Like if it's rust or something like that, I'll have kind of a rust mover, and I'll treat that. So I just don't let everything sit too long. Ink and stuff like that, paint. I treat that as I'm cleaning. I'll stop, treat it, and then extract with my wand. So that's all it is, guys. All gone. Vamoose. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use my carpet details to kind of neutralize everything out. Wash out anything. I'm gonna let it sit for another 10 minutes to make sure that peroxide really does its thing. Gives it some time. And sometimes if you run into a spot that's been there for a long time, the 20 volume, you use it like a spray and walk away. It's a real popular item out there for carpet cleaners. Is you spray, and as it dries overnight, next day, a lot of times it disappears. So if it doesn't disappear, then you're going to have to go into other methods. Maybe try to steam it out, which I have had to break out a steamer for a couple coffee stains that I've ran into. So I did make videos on that too. So in coffee, if it's just straight coffee and it's not decaffeinated and it doesn't have any creamers that may have some artificial coloring, it's just easy to remove. Now if you have decaffeinated, a lot of times they put artificial coloring in that decaffeinated coffee, and that will have to be treated like an artificial stain remover, like Red One, or if you want to get something over the counter that works, you dilute it like 1 to 4, and ammonia works on artificial colors. So you dilute it with water, if you know. So if you guys are any DIY people watching this video, these are local things you can get to get rid of staining. So I think we're good here, guys. I'm not going to drag this on any longer. I think you get the point that 20 volume peroxide does the job. Now I brought this out too because the InCap store sent me sample kit. And this gets rid of a lot of stuff. And I was gonna makeup, light oil filtration lines, drinks, even rust. So I'm definitely gonna be trying this out soon. So I brought this just in case 20 volume wasn't working, because I was assuming it was coffee, so I brought the 20 volume, but if it wasn't coffee, then I was gonna use this, because it's kind of all multi-purpose, it treats a lot of different stains, so we would have seen how that worked. But next time, it's all gone, guys. Give me a like if you learned something. Give me a like if you like this video. Give me a like just for the hell of it. And subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one.